Have you ever set a big, exciting goal only to feel frustrated and stuck when you didn't achieve it? Well, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 surprising reasons why most entrepreneurs fail to achieve their goals, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them so you can start seeing results fast. Now, these will impact you at different stages, but number 6 affects everyone daily, so it's vital that you have a plan to fix it. I'm Tony, founder of Online Results Coach. I help ambitious entrepreneurs achieve their biggest business goals faster and with less stress, so you can scale your business while enjoying more freedom and fulfillment. Over the past 30 years, I've invested thousands of dollars and countless hours mastering these strategies, and I'm sharing them with you for free in this video. I promise you, there's no fluff and no BS. It's all just actionable insights. So let's dive in. The first reason is lack of clarity, as one of the biggest reasons people fail to achieve their goals. When people set vague goals like, I want to be successful or I want to make more money, these are just wishes. They're not actionable. Now, to fix this, you have to get crystal clear on what you want. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve and by when? And crucially, for each goal, ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? And then, when you have that, break your goals down into smaller, measurable steps, but still keep it high level, what I call your success roadmap. Clarity really is power, and it's the first step to turning your goals into results. And reason number 2 is lack of commitment. And I know this can be a problem for some people. One of my mentors, John Assaraf, his mentor asked him, are you interested in your goals or are you committed? And that for me is the key difference, right? You might be interested in learning a new language, but you're committed to launching a new product in the next 90 days. For example, a commitment means going all in, no matter what. So to stay committed, what I advise is to make your goals public. Share them with a friend, a mentor, or even on social media. Accountability is what keeps you motivated and it will help you to stay on track. Reason number 3 is a huge one for an awful lot of people, and it's fear of failure. Fear is one of the biggest dream killers. See, many people avoid setting ambitious goals because they're afraid of failing or being perceived as a failure. But here's the truth, right? Failure isn't the end, it's feedback. And I know that can be a difficult mindset shift for some of us, me included. But every setback teaches you something valuable. So shift your mindset from failure is bad to failure is a stepping stone to success. And if fear is holding you back, check out my video on overcoming fear. I'll put a link to it at the end of this one. Now, my fourth reason for entrepreneurs failing to achieve their goals is lack of planning. And I'm sure you've heard the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. Without a roadmap, it's easy to just drift along, right, and not be driven. Start with your end goal, break it into actionable steps, and set deadlines. A clear plan will give you direction and momentum, but it's key that you set deadlines and treat those deadlines as immovable. And this is where accountability, both internal and external, really helps you. Okay, reason number 5 why entrepreneurs fail to achieve their goals: procrastination. So often, this is the silent killer of dreams. It's all too easy to delay important tasks, but every day you wait, you lose momentum. The key is start small. Take one tiny step towards your goal today. You see, progress, no matter how small, it builds momentum and it builds your confidence. You'll be amazed at what a difference these tiny steps will make. Taking action, no matter how small, is the best antidote for procrastination. So, whatever that thing is, do it today. Now, reason number 6, which I mentioned at the start, is distractions and overwhelm. And we all face it every day in this fast paced world. It's just so easy to feel pulled in a million different directions. Every ambitious entrepreneur that I've ever worked with or talked to faces this challenge daily. And the key here is to Well, there's a few things you can do. First off, I'd say create a distraction-free environment, right? Whatever that means for you. And the other key is to focus on one task at a time, right? Stop trying to multitask. Prioritize what matters most. And I promise you, you'll make steady progress with far less overwhelm. And finally, let's wrap it up with reason number 7. And this is biggie for me, lack of accountability. You see, when you're the only one holding yourself accountable, it's too easy to let things slide. That's why I advocate having a coach or mentor or accountability partner. And it's a game changer. They'll keep you focused, motivated, and they'll keep you on track. Before I started working with a coach, accountability was one of my biggest struggles. But once I had someone in my corner, my progress skyrocketed. If you're serious about achieving your goals, find someone who can hold you accountable. It really will make all the difference. Now, if you found this video valuable, I've got something even better for you. Join my free 7-day course for ambitious entrepreneurs like you and discover the proven strategies that high performers use to set and achieve their biggest goals. You'll learn why most people fail, how to set goals that actually deliver, and you'll learn the habits and systems that top achievers use to win consistently. It's 10 minutes or so lesson a day delivered by email, so it's easy for you to consume. And it's not theory, it's proven system built for busy entrepreneurs who want real results. Click the link in the description to join now and take the first step towards your next big breakthrough. Do it now and take that big step to achieving success with your goals. I hope this video has inspired you to take more actions on your goals. Thanks for watching.